Some time ago, I worked on this wall to house all my camera gear. I used the Scandi spec-board as a base for my most frequently used things and some shelves and hooks for bigger items I wanted easy access to. But if you are into photography or videography at all, you know all these items come with their own accessories and bits and pieces that also need to be stored somewhere. That's where these 4 drawers come into play. The only problem? They are a complete mess at the moment. I used random containers I had lying around to keep things kind of organized, but it was time for more permanent solution. Obviously, my first idea was to organize it with 3D printing. Unless you live under the rock, you most probably heard about Gridfinity or watched this magical video. Honestly, it's so satisfying. But as much as I think it's a great idea for organizing that one drawer with your most frequently used tools, I don't think it's going to work for me, at least not in this case. So I decided to mix it up a little bit. Instead of printing a full box that would perfectly fit this one thing I want to store, I printed out only a frame and put it around a piece of EVA foam. This particular piece is there to hold my light, but what I think is great about this solution is that if I need to change something, I can modify the foam or replace it with a new piece without reprinting the whole thing. This worked great for some of the things, but not all. Take this magic arm, for example. It doesn't make sense to cut out the space for each one of them. They just need a simple box. So I printed one, but it still looked a little bit messy. So I tweaked the design a bit and created an option that would allow me to further divide the box if I needed to. And in the way I needed to. Finally, my drawers were properly organized. But there was still one thing that bothered me quite a bit. There was a lot of wasted vertical space. I considered adding a second layer on top, but that would be a bit of pain with the varying heights of stored items. Unless I could suspend it in the air. This mini storage bins use French Cleat mounting system. If you're not familiar, it is a super strong mount very often used in carpentry. One of the great benefits of this system is that you can move any piece you attach to it. Let's do some designing. I designed 2 types of boxes, one with locking pieces on 2 walls so it can lock into the corner for heavier objects, and the other one with locking system only on 1 wall so it can slide along the rail to any position I needed to be in. That's much better. If you like my solution for the drawer clutter, links to all their parts are in the description below this video. I use parametric design so you can easily modify them to fit your needs. If you found this content useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.